Hello, I am Mitsuhiro Eguchi. Today, I will provide a supplementary video about Japanese ramen. This video was created as an addition to the ramen book, Make, Eat, Ramen. In this book, we focus on one aspect of health improvement when making ramen. Ramen is one of the delicious dishes that represents Japan, but it also raises concerns for those who care about their health. For example, the oil used in ramen, called lard, can be a source of saturated fatty acids and cholesterol intake. However, when making it at home, we can create a more balanced and healthier ramen. We propose making a healthier ramen by improving the excessive intake of omega-6 fatty acids and actively incorporating omega-3 fatty acids. To achieve this, we will introduce a method of using flaxseed oil, which is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, instead of lard containing omega-6 fatty acids. Through this video, it will expand the possibilities for all ramen lovers to have a new choice that combines health and deliciousness. Omega-3 and omega-6 are essential nutrients for our health as our bodies cannot produce them. Omega-3 is found in seafood such as fish and shellfish, while omega-6 is found in corn oil, soybean oil, sunflower oil, and lard. However, in modern dietary habits, there is a problem of excessive intake of omega-6 compared to omega-3. The ratio is said to be 1:10 for Japanese people and 1:10 to 1:20 omega-3, omega-6 for Americans. Ideally, the recommended ratio is 2:1 omega-3, omega-6 intake. Excessive intake of omega-6 may increase the risk of inflammatory and cardiovascular diseases. It is important to strive for a balanced intake of omega-3 and omega-6. However, taking omega-3 supplements alone may not have many health benefits. It is necessary to improve the balance by reducing omega-6 intake and increasing omega-3 intake. It is also important to reduce the consumption of processed foods to limit the intake of omega-6. Let's remember to strive for a balance between omega-3 and omega-6. Your diet directly affects your health. Increasing the intake of omega-3 and reducing excessive intake of omega-6 can be expected to maintain heart and brain health and reduce the risk of inflammatory and cardiovascular diseases. By eating healthy ramen, you can take the first step towards improving your health. Moreover, it's affordable, easy, and the taste remains delicious. Sure, let me explain in detail. Delicious. When making ramen soup, please refrain from adding fats such as lard or vegetable oil. Just before eating, after adding the noodles to the soup and adding toppings, please drizzle flaxseed oil or toasted sesame oil over it. The reason is that omega-3 fatty acids are heat sensitive and should be added in a state where they can be consumed at the appropriate temperature. Changing the oil will not make the taste less delicious, nor will it introduce any strange flavors. You can enjoy it deliciously. As a result, you can reduce your intake of omega-6 and increase your intake of omega-3. I would be happy if I could help you enjoy a delicious bowl of ramen. Thank you for watching.